This is V from Miss Adelia. Hope you're well. I've got this unusual vegetable. Um, I think it's a cucumber. I'm going to cut it and see. Hi, I've cut it into quarters. There's a lot. It looks like a good fire, but I got this from the vegetable section. Please, send me a comment and let me know what it is, because I can't figure it out. I think it looks a bit like a jackfruit or something. I've never seen a vegetable like this before, so I'll try to do Google search later, and if I can work it out, I'll let you know. So there's just an extension. What I decided to do, please still comment and let me know what this vegetable is. What I've done, I've put vegetable oil, apple cider vinegar. You can add malt vinegar for that. Well, I've chosen apple cider vinegar. I've added dried parsley, dried chilies, dried garlic. I'll be adding the rest. Hold on. I decided to add fresh onions, chopped fresh green chilies. I've added grated immature mangoes. Is that still correct? Or unripened mangoes to this, and I did salt and pepper. I'm gonna mix it all together. I used that this year's vegetable in my mango salad. I tasted it beforehand and it tastes delicious. So I decided I did my noodle dish today. It gets so hot, so it's like a light filling dish where I'll add coriander, chili sauce, noodles. You can add any type of noodles, but it's delicious. Take care. Bye.